Subscribing to our YouTube channel, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime you upload a new content. So now I have this logarithmic exponential equation. So we have this x to power log root x equals to 100. So for x greater than or equals to 0. I get it now. So we want to look for the value of x. So this x greater than or equal to 0, definitely the value of x here can be greater than 0 or equals to 0. I get it now. So whatever we have must be greater than 0 to have for the solution to be what must be greater than 0. That's what we are saying. So now from here, so let's see what we are going to do. So we are going to introduce what? We are going to introduce a logarithm with a base 10 towards to this two sides of this equation. So we are going to be having log, okay, then x log root what? Root x equals to log of what? Log of 100. So now from there, so the next thing we are going to do is that, so we are going to be having this to be log. This power we have to what? We have to come down. I get and multiply the entire logarithm. We have this, then multiply by log what? Log x, then equals to, now taking the logarithm of what? Of 100. Don't forget that this log is with respect to base 10. So therefore we are going to be having what? We are going to be having log 10 to base power 2. So now from there we are going to be having log x to power half dot log x equals to, here 2 will come down, here you have 2, then log 10. Don't forget that we have what? We have the base 10, right? Okay, so therefore this is going to be taking this power here to this back. I'm going to have 1/2 log what? Log x dot log x now equals to, so don't forget that this is with base 10, so therefore this is going to be 2 times 1. Then we are going to have what? We are going to be having 2. So now from there, so the next thing is that we have log s there, we have log s there. So we can actually clear out this fraction. So we want to get rid of this 2 here, therefore we need to multiply both sides by 2. So you can see that this 2 we cancel this 2 here, and we are going to be having log x, because log x times log s, this is going to be log s squared equals to 2 times 2. We are going to be having 4 here. So therefore we are going to be having log x to power what? X to power 2 to be equals to 4. So we have what? We are going to take the square roots of the both side, or multiplying both side by 1/2. That is the power 1/2 is like taking the square root. So we are going to be having log s, because this 2 we cancel this 2 here, equals to, and don't forget that whenever you are taking the square root, so this is going to be plus or minus, and this is going to be what? 2. That is here we're going to be having 2 to power 2 dot 1/2. You can see this one, we cancel this one. That's why we have this 2 here. So we are going to be having, don't forget that this is what? This is with respect to base 10. So this can be x equals to 10 to power 2, which is equals to what? 100. Also s can be 10 to power minus 2, which is equals to 1 over what? 10 raised to power 2, which is what? Which is 100, which is 1/100. Are you getting it now? So therefore we have what? We have the two possible solution of this equation to be equals to x equals to 100 or 1 over what? 1/100. Are you getting now? And when you look at these two, you can see that they are what? X is greater than what? 0. So therefore we have the solution to be x equals to 100 or 1 over what? 1/100. If you find the class very interesting, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your learning colleagues. Thank you. Bye.